G, your thoughts about your final four match earlier against NU and the season in general na third place ulit.
Of course, thank you Lord na protectionan yung team ko, nothing major injuries. Of course, hindi namin na-meet yung target. But I'm still proud of how the team played this year. Siyempre na masama sa pakiramdam na talo, but proud of the players, and of course we have to give credit din doon sa kalaban namin. They brought their A game, mas ginusto lang nila.
Take it to G-Boy, 14 of 27 attacks, 14 extra receptions, and 6 digs. Your thoughts about your campaign this season? Amazing.
Ayun nga po, di man nakuha yung target po namin na goal. Grateful pa rin po kasi natapos and nairaos po ng maayos yung season. And ayun, nagkaroon ng medyo konting injuries, but my team were able to recover and kahit pa paano makaabot dito sa semi-finals. And ayun po, medyo kinulong lang talaga, pero I'm happy and proud ako sa team ko kasi lumaban kami kahit naman dito.
Thank you so much. And last to Josh, 7 attacks, 1 block, 1 service case, 4 digs, and 16 extra receptions. So, yun nga, nag-start ka sa offense this afternoon. So, ano man sabi mo sa pinakita na sa'yo na binantayan ka maigi ng game to final four?
Siguro ayun nga, binantay nila ako, pero ewan ko anong nangyari, pero di ko talaga siya, like, di ko maintindihan kasi parang sobrang open ako masyado sa mga teammates ko nung time out pa lang, na bago pa lang mag-start, sobrang pinagdudahan ko talaga yung sarili ko. And ayun, sobrang nahirapan ako bumalik, and nung nasa court na ako, tinatry ko siya labanan, and iniisip ko talaga na wala yun, na parang kaya ko to. Pero hindi ko talaga, ayawan ko. Hindi ako nagka-momentum. Hindi talaga lahat. Like, ayawan ko ba? Wala talaga.
Okay guys, sorry, open for questions.
Sino po yung mga sure na gagamit?
As per eligibility rules, I only have one graduating player. That's Joshua Avila. So, for those who are graduating academically, marami yan eh. So, there's G-Boy, Josh, Sherwin Umandal, Dax Lambao, tapos yung mga dati kong player na nasa staff ko din ngayon, mga scout namin, si Bora, Colinares. Isa lang talaga, si Joshua Avila. So, follow up ko dyan yung future plans, kung sino i-retain, sino i-let go. Pag-uusapan pa namin, nilahat ko na lahat sa kanila. I cannot accommodate everyone kasi meron kaming transition of players. Tsaka nakaplano din kasi na they will transition to another team. Kaya lang na-dissolve na nawala na yung isang club team. Tapos napuno na yung isa pang club team. So, pag-aralan muna namin. We have to come up with another plan. And it's also a good thing kasi yung transition namin ng players from juniors to college, medyo naputol din ng isang taon. So, I think we have slots for the graduating players.
To Josh, despite yung final four exit, set to be named MVP ka ulit for the third time, first UST men's volleyball player to be named 3-time MVP, just any general thoughts on that award?
Actually, bago pa lang talaga, I mean, hindi ko naman siya tinitig talaga yung kung anong mga natanggap ko, pero now, sa pinakita ko, to be honest, I really don't feel na
This one game, Josh. It's only one game. Okay lang. You carried us throughout.
I say he deserves it. It's just that we had a bad day today, and I think it will mold him to be a better person and to be a better player for the next.
Sobrang hate ko lang kasi kung kailan ako pinakakailangan to nakawala.
For you, earlier in this round, nagkaroon ka nga ng injury pero bumalik ka. And ito, maganda yung pinakita ng fight for despite the loss. Kamusta lang siguro yung overall season and ayun na, fourth year ka na din now. So, ano na siguro plans for the future, Panzer?
Ako sa ngayon, di ko talaga iniisip yung plans ko eh. Kumbaga, nung mga nakarang araw, yung focus ko lang talaga is itong laro namin. Kasi, di ko talaga muna iniisip kung saan ako pupunta or kung ano yung kakahinatnan ko after this season. Siguro yung sa akin lang, kahit gano'n ko injury, kaya ako nakabalik, siguro gusto ko rin talaga manalo. And gusto ko rin talaga iangat yung team ko. It's just that nagkulang and ayun nga, focus din sabi ni Coach Oji, lumabas yung A-game ng kalaban namin. Sayang lang kasi hindi nagsabay yung A-game namin tsaka A-game nila. Mas okay sana yung laban. Ayun.
Still a great season, guys. USD Golden Spikers. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Teo.
Thank you po.